and welcome. My name is Aisha Sparks from Temple Healthcare. During these instructional videos, I will be covering various software and hardware topics of the Nox PSG systems. During these videos, I'll be communicating with a Nox A1 device with my computer via the Noxturnal software. Noxturnal will allow you to set up a new recording, download, view recordings for analysis and for data sharing. During all these videos, I will have this device connected to my computer via the cable provided. To do this, simply open the A1 battery hatch with the key provided, like so. Simply take the Nox key, place here on the battery hatch, push down and pull the hatch towards the bottom of the device. Here you will find the battery compartment and also the mini USB input. Place the mini USB into the device and then the USB cable into your computer. If you would like to follow along, please open Noxturnal now, and if you do have a device available, please connect it to your computer. Now let's get started. Once you have opened Noxturnal, on the Start page, you are able to select and view existing recordings. This allows you to browse and open existing recordings that have been previously saved to the computer after download or after data acquisition. Under my library, under All Recordings, I am able to find all my downloaded or manually added recordings. To open a study within Noxturnal, go to your library and under All Recordings, double-click on the patient you would like to open. The sleep study data will open in your selected workspace layout. For more information on how to create a workspace layout, please see the instructional video titled Creating a Workspace Layout. I will now close this by selecting the cross in the top right-hand corner. Now, in order to view where this study is actually located, whether locally or on a server, I will just right-click on the patient data and select Show in Windows Explorer. This here is all my study data. I'll just go one folder up, and this here is my folder where that data is located, and this is the file path where it is located. This makes it very simple to be able to send this by copying or sending to a Dropbox location or another file location. Within the recording library, you are able to create lists. Creating lists are useful for research purposes for a quick reference to studies that have a particular parameter of interest. So for example, if I wanted to group together the studies where patients had an AHI over 50, I can create a list. By right-clicking here, select Create List. We'll call this folder AHI over 50. I'll then go back into my recording library, and it looks like only this one study here has an AHI of over 50. I can then just simply left click on here and drag into my list. By dragging it in here, it just copies it into this folder. It does not move its location. If I delete from here, from the recording, from the list, by right-clicking and remove recording, this does not permanently delete it, it just removes it from my list and it's still available here under my recording library. The recording library also has this search for tool. If you can imagine, after some time, there may be thousands of studies, and it'll be very difficult to locate the study that you require. To make this easier, you are able to search for the patient name, the patient ID, or their tag. By typing anything else in here, such as duration or study date, nothing will be found, so only the patient name, ID, or tag can be searched for. You can also click on each column and they can be ordered in ascending or descending order. And we can create new columns. Creating a column or a custom field can be done under Tools and Settings. Custom fields. We'll create two custom fields. I'll create an ESS score and also whether the patient has a commercial driver's license or not. So here we'll press Add Custom Fields. We'll give the label ESS. Now this will be a numerical value. We'll locate the information under the patient. And field size is just the size of this area here. Because it's only a double-digit number, we'll give it a small field size. Now, a second one will be whether the patient has a commercial driver's license or not. Oops. Now, this will have a yes or a no answer, so we'll choose a multiple choice, also to be located under the patient information. Now the option values are either yes or no. You can separate the values with a semicolon and select OK. Don't forget also to press the OK button down here on the bottom right hand corner to confirm any changes. Now I'll just open up a study to show you where those fields will be located. Under the recording results page, under the patient information, I'll just select Edit here. And now we can see that there is an ESS field and also a commercial license yes or no field. I'll just close this at the top right hand corner here. Going back into the Viewing Existing Recordings page, I can also add these to my recording library for view. So right click, columns, and select the columns that we have created. Once that information is filled in on the patient data, that information will be displayed here.
I hope you found that useful. For more information or more videos, please see our website at templehealthcare.com.au, or please don't hesitate to call us or email. The head office can be reached on 02 4858 0690.